You guys, it's day 2. Tell us a morning, Fibs. Where we going? Yeah. Bonjour. Come on. Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It is day 2 of school, and my boy is ready and out and heading to school with his little cute self. Come on, hold hands. Yes. Yes. Stop. Yes. Right. So the sun.
Mama?
Yeah.
It's fire.
It's fire.
Yes. The fire truck is good to help lift the fireman can help lift the fire hose.
Yeah. You guys, it's day 2 and we are heading to school. My boy is ready and we're out. This morning I'm on my own because of course baby's gone back to work. So I'm just taking him to drop him off. We just drop him off at the gate at day 2 and he'll be fine. So we are just strutting our stuff to school. This is life's new normal for me and I'm loving it. I feel like a mama. I feel like a mama taking my boy to school. We're gonna have a good day at school today.
Yes.
And remember to be nice, right?
Right.
And be calm.
Yes.
And be patient.
Yes.
And be strong.
Yes.
And have fun, right?
Right.
Good job. So my sweet boy is heading to school. Yesterday had a good day and he told us that he couldn't wait to go back today. So we are on our way to school. So hopefully you guys are having a good day, and I hope that if you have kids that went out for the first time, hope they had a good day and hope it wasn't a challenge for them to adjust to new people and new environment, because it was smooth sailing for Tyler. I'm so proud of this kid. So I hope it was as easy for us as it was hope it was as easy for you as it was for us. What is it? So I'm just gonna drop him to school and I'm gonna head back home. You guys, this house is not the same without Tyler. Can you hear that? Nothing. No, mama. No, mama, what are you cooking? What are you doing? I'm literally hearing echo in the house. Like, I don't know how much I can handle this. I'm not gonna cry. I miss him so much. Anyway, you guys, I dropped him off at school. He went in by himself. I couldn't go in with him this morning. So he went in by himself. He told me bye and I watched him until he was literally out of sight. Got back and I cleaned this entire house. Okay, I cleaned, I organized as much as I am. You guys see how much our space is coming together. Oh, still a lot to do over there, but it's coming together. This couch over here is gonna be moved. It's gonna be moved and going to the middle room, and then we're gonna rewrap these couches because we're waiting on the wraps to come for them. We're just experimenting. Basically, every single thing that you see we're doing in this house, we're experimenting because we're not experts. We've never been homeowners before. All these things, the wrapping of the headboard, the painting, every single thing that we're doing in this house is experimenting and visioning, and it's working so far, and it's all coming together. So in a bit, our kitchen will arrive, our closet will arrive, the couch will be rewrapped, then everything will just all come together. Anyway, I miss my boo-boo. I am home, got some stuff done. I have some editing to do, but first I need to get me some lunch. So I'm gonna make some lunch, and lunch is gonna be breakfast this morning because that's what I feel for. Even though I already had breakfast, but I still feel for more plantain, so I'm gonna go for it. Okay, hope you guys are having a good day though. Hope you guys are having a good day. Stay love, stay blessed, stay motivated. I love you guys. Let's go lunching. Here editing, and I remember that one of our subscribers had comment and asked me to give her a shout out. So hey girl, hey, her name is Stacey and Watt. Thank you for always watching and always commenting. We appreciate you so much, and I think this gonna be cool. I think we might just start doing comments shout out to our subscribers because we really love and appreciate all of you guys. None of this wouldn't have been possible without you guys. When we started YouTube 2 years ago, we had no idea what to expect. We didn't even start it with any goal in mind, if you guys know our story and how we started YouTube. So we might just show you guys a lot more love than what we were showing you, even though we give you our all and our heart. We really love you guys. So hey Stacey and Watt, thanks for always watching and always commenting. I always see you down in the comment section. I appreciate you and lots of love. You guys, look who I picked up from school. We're going home. Yeah. I just picked him up from school. What did you do at school today?
Playing.
You play?
Yeah.
And what else?
Kitchen.
What did you have for lunch?
Kitchen.
Yeah, but tell me what you eat for lunch.
Cheese.
You eat cheese? And what else?
Bread.
And bread? And what else?
And water.
And water?
Yeah.
And you drink out your blue cup?
Yeah.
Yeah. What else did you eat?
Eat. Oh no, I'm stuck.
Unstuck. Come. Go. Come, hold on to the bag. Let Mama unstuck you. Pull. Go. Good job. What else did you eat for lunch? Huh? So you're gonna go to your other school tomorrow, okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
2 school.
Yeah, you have 2 schools. The thing is that in France, for his age, school doesn't keep on a Wednesday. So the school that he's gonna go tomorrow is just like a daycare setting where they're just gonna play all day. Peace. You had fun at school?
Yes.
Good job. Alright, come on. You guys, dinner is very, very simple tonight. I made escalope and it's so hot. Oh, and quinoa. So there we go with dinner, and Tyler just told me that he's ready to eat. He's over there waiting on dinner right now. So that's very, very simple tonight. Not into the fancy tonight at all. There you go, guys. Dinner is ready for the fam. Continue. W-X. Continue.
W-X.
guys the expressions of today. And today's Jamaican expression is nose wall. Nose wall. If you hear a Jamaican say, "Girl, your nose wall big, so your nose wall big like donkey nose wall." If they tell you have donkey nose wall, mean your nose hole, the hole in your nose is as big as mine.
You have
Like
donkey
it.
one. You can put your thumb on it.
Yes.
Two thumb.
Some people nose hole is like this. They can't breathe.
You can breathe properly.
I can smell everything around me.
It's like
So,
it's like the story. Don't know how you say it in English. The little girl that had red.
the third riding hood.
Yeah, when she said to the wolf, "You have a big nose, Grandma."
All the better to smell you, my dear. So, me, I'm proud of my big nose wall. Say nose wall.
Nose on.
Nose wall.
Nose one. Your nose one big, man.
Nose wall. So, me have a big nose wall. I'm proud of it. Alright, what's the French expression of today?
That's gonna be a word. That's gonna be a French word that we're gonna say a lot in the future. That's maternelle. Maternelle is the school of Tyler. I mean,
Preschool in English.
preschool in French is called maternelle. So you have 3 years, and Tyler is actually in the little section of these 3 years in maternelle. So maternelle, that's the name of his school. Say it.
Maternelle.
Right, maternelle.
Yes. Alright, you guys, so there you have the French and the Jamaican expression of today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Anyway, you guys, I'm going in because I'm tired and Tyler's already in, and I'm sure baby's going in soon too.
I'm going now.
You're not gonna finish my batch?
No, that's what should I do?
Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time to the fan band. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.